Normally, the future price of silver is higher than the daily spot price. Um, and what happened was they inverted, and the daily spot price became higher than the future price on in London on the LBMA because they ran out of physical silver. LBMA just had, for whatever reason, they ran out of physical silver. And when they began paying a price, a spot price for silver that was higher than the future price, people in the US who had large stores of silver began loading their silver onto cargo planes and flying it to London and selling it to get the higher spot price. There was a liquidity crisis in the silver market for the first 2 weeks of October. That that didn't cause the price of silver to go up 85% in the last year. That caused a little bit of a panic in the silver market over the last 2 weeks. So now in the last 2 days, silver has dropped, I think 9 or 10%. Gold has dropped about 9 or 10% just since Friday. And people are wondering, like, okay, what the heck is going on? Is it all going down? Is it going to keep going up? I think this is a natural uh, thing to be expected. Silver reached its highest point ever. The previous high was the previous closing high on silver, I think, was around $51, 52 intraday. When it got up to 53, all-time high, levers in the financial markets started to move. And then at that point, it's anyone's game. It's anyone's guess what is going to happen. But people started making financial moves when silver went into record high territory. And I think it's going to take a couple of weeks for us to figure out what's going to happen. I expect that the price of silver will stabilize. There's going to be, I think, some consolidation, and silver will probably channel between 40. It could go down as low as 46, 45. It could go lower than that. I don't know. But I think between 45 and 55, you'll see the price of silver stay in that range for a while before it heads higher again. I suspect that once the panic in the market is gone, people have sold and bought whatever they're going to sell or buy. I think the price will move higher. Same for gold. I think that there's a little bit of turmoil in the markets. People don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, gold is so high. Like, do we buy it? Do we sell what we've got? It's so valuable. Do we buy more? I think there's an expected amount of turmoil in the markets on both silver and gold. Platinum too. Platinum has been tracking along with silver at the same rate, although a lot fewer people buy platinum as opposed to silver and gold. So it's been interesting tracking it. I track them every day. I suspect they're going to go a lot higher, but I don't know. God hasn't given me any revelation lately on silver and gold that I'm aware of.